In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Hubspot. This process is quick and will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open a web browser and go to Hubspot's homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL, which is hubspot.com, or simply searching for HubSpot in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if this is your first time visiting. Next, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there are options available to reset it. Just follow the prompts and you should be back in action in no time. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the main hub for all your HubSpot activities. From here, you'll have access to various tools and resources that HubSpot offers. For our purposes today, we're heading straight to the settings, so go ahead and locate the settings option. Generally, this is represented by a gear icon and is often positioned in the upper right area of the screen. Now you're in the settings menu. The next step is to find the email settings. On the left hand side of the settings page, you'll see a menu with multiple options. Scroll down until you see email and click on it. This will open the email preferences where you can manage everything related to your email communications through HubSpot. With the email settings open, the next action is to click on Manage Email Signatures. This section is specifically designed for managing your email signature, allowing you to add, edit, or delete signatures as necessary. Click on this option to proceed. You should now be in the email signature management area. Here you can create a new signature by entering the text that you want to appear at the end of your emails. You can format your signature to align with your branding, including adjusting fonts, adding links, and even inserting images like a company logo if needed. Make sure to review your signature to ensure that all information is correct and that it reflects your professional image accurately. Once you're satisfied with your new email signature, remember to save your changes. There should be a save button clearly visible, often located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will finalize your new signature settings and ensure it's included in your future emails. And that's it, you've successfully added an email signature in HubSpot. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain professionalism and ensure that your emails stand out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.